Okay, here we go. Another project, another can of worms. How do I get myself into these? Anyway, I was not kidding when I told you guys, or if you saw the thumbnail that said the body lift could have killed me, and it literally could have. It's just a matter of time. I don't know how many other trucks are like this or body lifts. I have no idea. I did call Daryl. He did say that he ran into this problem with several other trucks, and I'll show you guys how to correct the problem. Now, this only seems to happen with the white body lifts, those white pucks. The aluminum ones and the black ones, I guess it's made out of a different composition, but they do not have this issue. I installed this body lift well over 10 years ago, and there was no problems. I constantly check all my nuts and bolts every couple months, and I don't know how I missed this, but I did. The two in the front are the worst, and I'll show you what they look like right now. Now, unless you couldn't tell, the pucks on every single body lift, every single cab mount, every single little thing is cracked. Whether or not if it's a surface crack or a fully internal crack, I don't know. What could potentially go wrong? Well, obvious. It cracks, separates the stress, the frame goes one way, the body goes the other way. I kill someone on the road, or even worse, I kill myself and my passengers. I'm not about to take that chance. Not this time. So, oh boy, what a can of worms, what a can of worms. Let me show you guys how I'm gonna remedy this situation. Now, I don't know if it's the same for all the body lifts. I did check with Daryl, and he noticed the same thing too, and it's only with the white ones for some reason. I don't know if the material construction of the white body lifts are doing this. Now, this truck is over 12 years old, so yes. I've had many other trucks that I've done body lifts on, 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch. The black ones never had a problem. This is the one way to correct this problem. I should have did this in the beginning. I got too cheap. I was an idiot. I wanted to be cheap, and I'm paying for it in the end. And you probably will always pay for it in the end. Not always, but damn it. Anyway, this is exactly how I'm gonna fix the problem. This is from SRQ Fabrications. These guys make some crazy sick parts. So let me unbox this and show you what I have and what I should have done in the very beginning. All right, so I got this box from TEQ Customs or something. The odd thing is that it came from TEQ, but the box says SRQ Fabrications, which tells me that TEQ sells products from SRQ Fabrications. Had I known that, I would have just went to SRQ Fabrications to begin with, but it is what it is. SRQ makes a ton of things for all kind of trucks, and it's really good quality products. So you can get this kit either in a 1-inch, 2-inch, or a 3-inch body lift. I should have got this from the very beginning. You can order the kit with grade 8 or grade 10 hardware. I opted for grade 8. See? SRQ Fabrication sticker. So these are the pucks. Pretty high quality. It looks really good. I think it'll work. I've never seen or had any problems with these black ones. It does come with the billet aluminum spacer for the steering column. There are no instructions, but however, if you go to SRQ Fabrications website, they have a full detailed instructions, colored instruction on how to do this, on how to install these things. It's pretty easy. Because the truck already has a 1-inch body lift in it, I don't need to do all the processes. All I have to do is just follow step by step. I'm gonna take off one side. I'm just gonna loosen one side, fully take off the other side, use a 4x4 post, jack up one side of the truck, swap out the body pucks, put in the new bolts. That should be it. Not too sure if I'm gonna time lapse it or just do a video and do some major editing, yeah, maybe I'll do that. Anyway, the first thing, get the truck on flat level ground. I don't want the truck falling off of the ground and falling off on me. That's gonna be another can of worms. So let me get the truck on level ground and begin this process. I'll just videotape it, edit it, and show you guys what the bad ones look like. So I'll be right back. Before I begin the whole process, I'll show you SRQ Fabrication's website and how the instructions look. So here they are. All right, the instructions look pretty simple, pretty easy. You just follow it word for word, and it gives you really good detailed. And you actually have to relocate the bumper. Where is it? He even shows you where to drill the new holes to relocate the bumper. Shows you all the information you need. Oh, here we go. And he also gives torque specs, and that's the spacer for the steering column. Okay, the only thing he does not give is the brackets to relocate your front. The only thing he does not give are the brackets to relocate the radiator, but it's a no-brainer. You can just get a piece of metal from any hardware store, 2 inches long, and make your own. Super simple. Let me take everything apart, swap out the body lifts, and I'll show you guys really quick what that looks like. So the first thing I'm going to do is loosen the bolt for the steering column. That way the body can move freely. I'm going to unscrew and pull off all the plastic panels for the trim that's all the way around the car. All right, there's one that's in the back that's really hard to get to, and it's a pain in the butt. It's right here. All right, so now that all the body bolts are exposed, what I'm gonna do is start with one side, loosen the bolts almost all the way, maybe halfway. Then I'm gonna fully take off the ones on this side. So let me take care of that, and I'll show you what that looks like. So the easiest way to get to the front bolts, what I found, easiest way is to use one of these flexible heads. This will get in there and allow you to take off the screw on the bottom and hold the top. So that's what I'll do now. All right, now just move on to the rest of the body bolts and work your way around. Phew-wee. Man, it is hot. Okay, all the bolts are loosened from one side, the passenger side. All the bolts are off of the driver's side. I'm just going to loosen the steering column shaft thing. There's a nut in there that needs to be loosened in order to let the body move and the steering shaft moved along with it. So it's just a 10 millimeter or 10 or 12, I forgot. I'll go underneath to find out. Loosen that, spray some penetrating oil, and that should allow everything to kind of move up and down. I'm going to place my jack underneath and just lift one side of the body, and that's what you guys will see next. All right, I just need to find a spot on the body that's safe, that's strong, where I can jack up the driver's side, and that should be it. I'll show you what it looks like from my perspective. All right, that's simple. You do that same process for the side that you're lifting up. Lower the body down, snug the bolts up. Don't torque them down yet, just snug them up. Then you lift up the other side, swap out the body lifts, and that should be it. So I'm gonna finish that off camera. If I run into any problems, I will definitely show you guys the kind of worms that I open up or whatever problems I get myself into. If it goes smooth, great. I deserve a break for once. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Before I forget, another really important thing, the kit comes with all the hardware necessary. But what was suggested to me, so this is almost like what the stock bolt looks like, with this big fat thick washer. So from the stock one, you're gonna pound this washer off, and now you're gonna reuse this where it would have went. So that's one of the main things I forgot to mention. Reuse the stock bolts, reuse the stock thick washer. One side is done, totally done with the driver's side. I just have to do the passenger side, and that should be it. Let me finish this and be right back. All right, there you go. Truck is done. It was pretty easy. I already had the 1-inch body lift in it, so it was just a matter of swapping things in and out. Real easy. The kit does not come with the radiator, not radiators. I think the radiator might have to move up 1 inch, and the fan shroud might need to move up 1 inch, but you can do all those on your own. Just get a little 1-inch bracket, put it in. The kit also tells you where to drill in your stock front and rear bumpers to relocate the bumpers so that they are perfect. Yep, everything turned out real good. The whole process only took about 2.5 hours. Not bad. Here's the thing that I've been waiting to show you guys. The results from the old pucks that I took out. These are a mess. Let me show you. This is the driver's side. So I numbered them. I don't know how well the camera can pick it up, but I don't know if you can see some of the cracks here. That's a good one. I was in the front radiator. The rear, the set number 2 was cracked a little. Oh, this is a good one. Number 3 was literally cracked right in half. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but this thing was cracked right in half. This one, just minor little cracks. The one in the back, oh boy, this is a good one. I'm not sure if the camera can pick up all these cracks. The passenger side was just as bad. Oh my god, this one is horrible. Number 3 is even worse. Oh my god. Jesus. Number 4 was cracked right in half. What the hell? Number 5. Ooh, this is a good one. Okay, there you go. It's a good thing I changed those out. It was only a matter of time before something bad happens. It's inevitable. The pucks would have shattered, the body would have separated, and lives would have been lost. I don't remember what company I bought these from. This was well over 10 years ago. But I did get the new ones from SRQ Fabrications. They have a ton of things. You can even choose what kind of bolts you want. Grade 8, grade 10. Common sense tells you to go with the 10. Don't be cheap. That should be it for this project. I got a ton more things to do. Thanks everybody for sticking around. I hope this helped someone out there. You guys should go outside now, check your body lifts, especially if you have these white ones. Could just save your life. All right guys, I'll see you guys again on my next project. Thanks everyone.